Do you want to travel in style and comfort while still having a homey feeling? We've got the 10 most luxurious and comfortable trucks that can replace your home in this video, so you won't be losing or missing it. To make a better decision on the truck that makes you feel at home, we therefore suggest that you watch this video all the way through. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. 1. Phoenix Maxiliner 8900 BM-MB. The Phoenix Maxiliner 8900 BM-MB is one of the largest on the market thanks to its 9 meters in length. It has 4 seats approved for travel and has luxury finishes and technology. Its steering wheel is removable to expand the space in the cabin, which has a very elegant touch thanks to its leather seats. The furniture is of high quality with comfortable sofas in the living room and a front tilting bed 140 centimeters wide. Its price is 400,000 euros, a real luxury that is completed by its kitchen with a glass cabinet with 4 shelves, a coffee maker, an oven, and a 195-liter refrigerator. At the back, it includes a bedroom with a double bed, television, and wardrobes. 2. Holiday Rambler Nautica. Holiday Rambler Nautica is a motorhome designed to be enjoyed at any time of the year thanks to its equipment and features that guarantee greater maneuverability in any type of condition. Inside it has large 360-degree windows that turn the rooms into viewpoints to enjoy nature. On the other hand, its design is reminiscent of a house by the sea thanks to its stainless steel sink and its glass tile plates. You can get Holiday Rambler Nautica for 200,700 euros. 3. Newmar Air King. Kicking off this list is Newmar's King Air. This is an impressive 45-foot-long Class A motorhome, making it one of the largest on the market. Floor plans are designed to be comfortable and emulate a homey feel. The default color scheme is a beautiful mix of cream, gold, and warm wood tones. Clients can choose from 4 interior decorating schemes, as well as their choice of cabinetry. By mixing and matching, each buyer can create their perfect interior. The features of this RV are also high-end. This motorhome comes with heated theater seats that can also massage. Appliances are top of the line, and each model comes with a huge king-size bed and a spacious rear bathroom. 4. Benamar Amphitryon. Benamar Amphitryon brand's models have integral bodywork and exterior decoration that opts for dark and matte tones. It has a very interesting interior with a renewed design, more efficient lighting, and rear seats designed for traveling with the little ones since they have an ISOFIX system for placing child restraint seats. The bedroom is equipped with a central bed that is complete with a pull-out inside the cabin. For its part, the living room has facing sofas to optimize space. One of its main attractions is its extra-large entrance door to improve comfort. Its price is 65,300 euros, but it has versions that allow you to add extras such as underfloor heating to further increase the comfort of the whole family. 5. Living Vehicle LV 2022. If you love the idea of living off the grid but still prefer caravans that look like houses, the LV 2022 could be the perfect solution. This is a high-end travel trailer that is designed to function as a fully functioning home, no matter where it is parked. This model has tons of features that you will rarely find in a motorhome. It has a spa-like bathroom with wood accents. There is also a swing-out patio, which is perfect for grilling out, sunbathing, or just expanding your usable space. The residential kitchen is equipped with a pull-out island, dishwasher, and high-end appliances. The decoration style and color scheme of this trailer are quite simple but still elegant. Most of the walls are white, but there are plenty of windows to let in natural light, as well as natural wood accents. One of the best parts of LV 2022 is how self-sufficient it is. This trailer comes with a huge 100-gallon water tank, 80 pounds of propane, built-in solar panels, and air and water filtration systems. You can set up camp anywhere and enjoy a luxurious and comfortable living space. 6. Soledad of Great Design 345 GK. We can't talk about motorhomes that look like houses without mentioning a luxury fifth-wheel model. Some of the best designs for these vehicles come to us from Grand Design. The Solitude 345 GK is a superb illustration of the company's commitment to comfort and craftsmanship. In contrast to typical motorhomes, this one has the main bedroom close to the front instead of the back. This room has a queen bed, which may be upgraded to a king, a sizable closet, a prep area for the laundry and dryer, a dresser, a pull-out ottoman, and a mounted TV. Anyone can benefit much from the arrangement. Additionally, this fifth wheel includes a lot of unique features, like an entertainment center above the fireplace, a shoe storage area hidden beneath a little step, and a sizable shower with a skylight and shower seat. Additionally, spacious and ideal for cooking on the road is the kitchen. Additional workspace is provided by a sizable center island, which also features a double bowl sink. The entire vehicle is decorated in a beautiful dark wood that contrasts with the light-colored furniture, ceilings, and floors. Classy light fixtures complement the recessed lighting that is built into almost every wall. This is a high-end motorhome that is guaranteed to be comfortable for all residents. 7. AutoStar i730 LCA. AutoStar i730 LCA has a front dining room designed to accommodate up to 6 diners, thanks to its distribution of revolving seats and large sofas. This room also has a dining table that can be easily removed, on top of which is a skylight that helps provide light to the room. As for the rest space, it is equipped with a low tilting bed for 2 people that is completed with a large bedroom located at the back. It also has plenty of space for storage, as it has wardrobes on both sides of the bed. The kitchen is equipped with 3 burners, a 175-liter refrigerator, storage space, and an extractor hood. A bathroom divided into 2 spaces with wood paneling completes its equipment. The price of the AutoStar i730 LCA is around €80,000. 8. Prevost Emerald H345. When it comes to motorhomes that look like houses, it doesn't get much better than the Prevost H345. At nearly $2 million, this is a luxury Class A motorhome that only the wealthiest customers can afford. The interior is stunning and worth checking out if you like to keep up with the best in the business. This RV is loaded with luxurious leather furniture and has one of the best bathrooms in the world. It features a beautifully tiled shower with a waterfall showerhead, a huge mirrored medicine cabinet, outside sink, and cabinets complete the space. This model also features a spacious kitchen, which is perfect for those who love to cook. It all comes together well, and the fridge looks like cabinets rather than a block appliance. The cream-colored furniture contrasts nicely with the dark wood cabinets, and everything is illuminated with beautiful recessed lighting. 9. Winnebago 4 EBD Revel. One of the Winnebago 4 EBD Revel's main attractions is its turbodiesel engine. To be able to easily drive with it without worries, it is designed to maintain the comfort of its occupants and their independence, since it incorporates hydronic heating and 2 LiFePO batteries with greater autonomy. The Winnebago 4 EBD Revel kitchen is one of its strong points, since it has an outdoor table, allows the extension of the counter, and has a refrigerator that you can access from both inside and outside the vehicle. It also has a large counter, storage space, and a storable induction hob. The Winnebago 4 EBD Revel price is €112,000. 10. DynaQuest XL 3400 KD. Finally, we have a Class C motorhome to complete this line. Although this model is smaller than many others, it still has a cozy design that will make everyone feel at home. If you're a fan of C-Class campers that look like houses, the 3400 KD might be perfect for you. The rear of this unit houses the master bedroom. Each motorhome is equipped with a king-size bed that slides out to expand the space. A divided bathroom separates the bedroom from the rest of the cabin. One section contains the toilet and shower, while the sink and vanity cabinets are located across the hall. The main living space combines the kitchen and the living room. One wall has a slider containing a booth-style dinette and a treefold sleeper sofa. Kitchen appliances and workspace are against the opposite wall. Customers can choose to add a berth above the driver's cab or replace the sleeper sofa with theater seating for 3. All furniture is covered in beautiful dark leather, while the cabinets have a natural wood exterior. The backsplash and decorative trim add a fun visual style to this motorhome. Finally, there are many motorhomes on the market that can help you bring the comforts of home on the road. These models are often priced high, But it's good to know what your options are if you know what you want. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about the 10 most luxury and comfortable trucks that can replace your home in the comment section below. Thank you.